right, guys, Chris Clothier here again, ready to wrap up our market breakdown. And we are down to the last three markets that we operate, all in Alabama, all our newest markets. And I have to tell you that it's the biggest market that we're building new construction homes in. You know, that whole North Alabama area. We've got some in Birmingham. We've got some in Tuscaloosa. We've done some in Huntsville. And they tend to move pretty much like that. As soon as we bring out anything that we're doing over there, it's moving quickly, but these new builds are moving really fast. And look, I'm going to tell you straight up that the anything that we're refurbishing from the ground up, an older, stock home, it is as good and renting just as good as these new builds. But the fact that our new builds are in, again, it's that recency bias thing. They're our newest market, kind of a very new type of product. Just generating a lot of excitement. I love these markets. Let me tell you why. Birmingham, old steel area. This still has fabricated metal manufacturing, steel, oil. They lead. These are the top industries in that particular market over there. But Birmingham has done a great job of, again, like everyone else, diversifying. You got to get way out in front of stuff. So they have. They're into healthcare now, financial services, life sciences, digital information, media. Some big companies over there: Alabama Power Company, American Cast Iron Pipe, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Alabama, Regions Financial Corporations, the hospital systems over there. From UAB, you've got multiple universities all in that area. You've got Birmingham Southern, you've got University of Alabama Birmingham, right across the state, not far. You got Tuscaloosa. That's another market that we're in. Automotive, construction, chemical, pharmaceutical, software development, the University of Alabama itself, also steel, fiberglass, aluminum screening. A lot happening over there in that particular market that's driving jobs. Now, Rocket City is just north of there, roughly 45 minutes to an hour north of Birmingham. You've got Huntsville. Aerospace, defense, information technology, advanced manufacturing. We're talking next level stuff, biosciences. The city itself is poised to overtake Birmingham as the largest city in Alabama. That's going to happen, in the next couple of years. So look, this is just a phenomenal area of the country. You're just south of Nashville, just east of Memphis, just west of Atlanta. So there's just a lot happening in that particular little corner of the world where it's drawing in a lot of investment. It's drawing a lot of attention. The cost of housing is super low, comparatively speaking, to some of the other parts of the country. We operate between 175 and 2.25, but you're kind of looking at what we have right this minute down there. We've got a lot in that 2.25 all the way up to $300,000 price point. It's kind of become our sweet spot. I understand these are a little more expensive price points, more in line with what we're seeing in Dallas, but the demand is there and it's making sense. This is a part of the country that is growing rapidly. Very quick. Some good things to know is that there's just a lot of support from obviously the local government down there to boost job creation, to improve the housing stock that they've got. There's a lot of support for what we're particularly doing. The quality of life is big time in the South, and that whole that idea of being together. And so Birmingham's putting a lot of money into their recreational areas, into their sports, into their, they just recently hosted the World Games. I think it's the World Games is what it was. It's amazing. This part of the country is just absolutely amazing. And then when you kind of include the fact that Huntsville, small area. You're talking about a population 460,000 in a relatively small area that's growing very, very rapidly. There's just, I'm not sure how anybody's going to be able to keep the lid there. And they want to lead the country in STEM careers. That's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So look, if you're looking for, again, I like having houses in the Texas market and, over, more on the southwest part of the Southeast. I like having houses in the middle part. We're talking Memphis, St. Louis, Little Rock. And then I want to look to diversify to the far east of what we're managing, Alabama's it. Like we instinctively chose not to go into Atlanta because we felt like it was kind of oversaturated from the investment and the hype. Atlanta's a great city. We may still go there, but we said we're going to, rather than jumping over Alabama, we're going to go into northern Alabama, take a look at the market, see what we think are the prospects for the future. What can we do as far as building homes from the ground up? That's why our prices are so, a little bit higher over there right now, is that there's a lot of new built from the ground up, and demand is unbelievable. As the population continues to grow, these houses are going to soar is the wrong word, but they are going to go up in value, I believe, at a hefty clip. So not unlike any other market we've been in, diversified economy, more jobs, a growing population, and an opportunity. An opportunity for you to be able to invest in markets that show real growth and show a sturdiness to provide security to your investment. Again, this is all about making sure we don't lose money. That's the biggest thing. Invest in an asset that someone else values, wants to be in, pays down our principal, and allows it to go up in the value of that investment itself. So look, I love Alabama. That's my final market. I've talked about Texas and Memphis. I've talked about Arkansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Alabama. Look, we continue to set a footprint across the Southeast, and I'm going to finish up all my videos with my next video, kind of wrapping up everything we've talked about and kind of give you an idea of where we might want to go next, some other places that I know you guys as investors may have questions on. Until then, guys, like it, join the channel, follow us, let us know what your thoughts are. Happy to engage back and forth. Until then, thanks for watching.